Yeah, my name is Morten from Denmark. Yeah. Then I'm here on Expo in 2 days to cut. I was in the Expo in Shanghai too, in China. So I think it's very funny to see a different culture and cut the hair. So it's been very nice. So I hope you will come and get a haircut with me. Yeah.
여기 엑스포, 여수 엑스포에 사람들의 머리를 자르러 왔고 샹하이 엑스포에도 역시 참여한 적이 있고요. 네, 많은 분들이 오셔서 내 머리를 자르시는 기회를 얻으셨으면 좋겠습니다.
I do that because I think it's funny to show the Korean people Danish haircutter can fix the Korean people hair, and it's nice to cut it, and I think it's funny event. So that's very nice. Yeah, I think the Korean people should come and see it, and the tourists too, because it's very nice. And now it's get very good hot weather, so it's very nice and exciting to see all the different things. And so you have to come, the Korean people. It will be nice for you. Yeah. And maybe get a haircut. Goodbye. Yeah, and goodbye, Korean people. It's nice to meet you. And I will hope I can be here 1 week more, but I go home on a Wednesday. It's very bad because I really like to be here. So have a very nice time, and I hope we see you again, maybe in Denmark. Yeah.